Greetings, friends! Today we are going to be creating tie-dyed circles. The materials that we're going to need are going to be coffee filters. If you don't have coffee filters, you can also use white paper. And we're going to need markers. You might want some old newspaper, some newsprint, something that you can use to keep the table from getting too messy. And you're also going to want an old plate that you could use when we do the water part. So you're also going to need a little tiny cup of water. Here are some examples of tie-dyed circles that I've already created. You can see that I've experimented with different color combinations, different kinds of patterns that you can make, and different amounts of water to see kind of what it does to the colors and the paper. It makes this really cool effect when it's all done. I can't wait to see the artwork that you're going to make today, so let's get to work. I'm going to begin by flattening out my coffee filter. You may notice I have placed it on top of another piece of paper just to keep the marker from going through and staining the table. I'm going to use different colors to make different kinds of patterns. I can do stripes, polka dots, whatever kind of pattern you might want. Think about experimenting with different color combinations. If I put red and orange, what color would they create if they mixed together? So think about what kind of colors you want to use for your patterns. Your pattern needs to have two different colors, so make sure you have two different colors in your pattern. If you do not have access to coffee filters, again, a white piece of paper would also work for this project. Make sure you color most of the coffee filter. The more color you get onto it, the better it will look. Now, there are different ways you can design them, so be creative with it. Here are some different examples that I have done. I'm going to take one and put it on a plate to make sure that the table doesn't get too messy, and I'm going to use just a little bit of water, and I'm going to dab it onto my coffee filter. If you don't have a paintbrush, that's fine. You can use a finger. Don't use too much water because it will make all the color disappear if you put too much water. Be selective about where you put it. Make sure you don't miss a spot. Cover the entire paper with water. Once it's done and it's dry, you can use it to decorate just about anywhere in your house, on your refrigerator, maybe hang it in a window so it looks like a sun catcher. It's up to you. Make sure you upload and share on Artsonia.